How to use one-handed mode on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to advanced features. Tap on advanced features. Here you can see one-handed mode option. Tap on it. By default the toggle off. Now toggle on it. When enable one-handed mode, you can access your device with one hand. Here you can see two options. If you want to use full screen gesture, swipe down in the center of the bottom edge to access one-handed, or choose a button. Here we use 3 button navigation, so we select button. Now double tap the home button. Now you can see you can quickly access your Samsung A55 with one hand. So it's quite easy. You can also move position to tap on arrow icon. So it's quite easy to exit one-handed mode. Just tap on the outside of the screen to exit one-handed mode. If you want to use full screen gesture, just tap on advanced feature, one-handed mode, gesture. Make sure enable gesture navigation on your device to use a gesture. So quite easy to use one-handed mode to quickly access your Samsung A55 with one hand. That's it. Like it, share it.